Hey there! Today I have a quick unboxing of an item that I literally just found in my room. I bought it months ago and forgot about it. That's pretty sad. That's been the state of affairs lately. So come back with me in a couple minutes and I will unbox this little thing and hopefully you'll be as excited as I am when I found it. So be right back. Hey there, my name is Nancy and welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrances, skincare, handbags, fine luxury goods that you forget that you bought. Actually, what happened is it fell behind my desk and I just moved everything around a couple weeks ago and lo and behold, I'm like, oh, that's where that went. How did I not remember I didn't unbox it ever? So yeah, anyway, here we are. We're going to unbox this beauty. I think it's a beauty. And I don't know why I completely just didn't remember that it was missing. So anyway, I'm really excited to show you what I got because it was part of a, I believe, special collection. I believe so. I think it was from just before holiday, if I remember correctly. So there might still be some pieces available, but I don't believe this one is anymore. So we'll double check the website and I'll insert if it still is. But at the time, it was hard to get. So anyway, got my little receipt and my box right here. Let me double check the price. And there has been price increases since I bought it. So I'm sure what I'm going to tell you is not current at all. But let me double check. That is not the right receipt. Let's see what that is. I have no idea what this receipt is for. Okay, I have no idea where this receipt is. I must have gotten it digitally emailed. So that's from something way else. Anyway, tiny little box. So do you have any guesses what it could possibly be in this tiny little box? It's obviously a small item. Hint, hint. Could it be a small leather item? I don't know. Usually that dust bag, it does tell you that. So this is, as I hint, it is, I think it's called the port documents, maybe, I can't remember. It's the men's, but from the Colormania from this past holiday. There is a slip pocket back here, kind of looks like the kirigami in the back, and then monogram, and then we have another kirigami-esque cross there in the front, which I just thought of. So you could do a card here, and then the cards here. So several cards in the front if you wanted to. And then a slip pocket here in the back. Something small right here as well. And then it has, this is very versatile for our men's. And then I chose to get my initials and then the little doggy stamp in honor of my doggies. Very cute. Made in Spain, apparently. So this is my little item. And I bought this, I want to say back in February. That's how long ago it was, how long it's been missing and behind my desk. That's pretty sad. It's August now. I'm filming this in August. So that's how many months ago I bought it. Oh, here's a little item. So let's see if that will tell you anything. There. No, it just tells you coated fabric with a kettle leather and trim. So, anywho, yes, that was hidden in my desk area back there, and if had I not moved it, it would have been lost forever. I think I would have figured it out someday. We're like, oh, where's that card holder that I bought months and months and months ago that I never unboxed? So I will swap into this at some point and add it to my rotation. Really excited about that. And yeah, just kind of thrilled to have another version. I've been kind of trending towards wanting to have some smaller card cases because I've been getting a lot smaller bags recently, just because the crossbody type of style has been working. And my typical card holder of choice has been the large Felici insert, and that doesn't fit in most of the bags I've been picking up lately. So that's kind of why I went this route. So I need to get into this ASAP. I will put the actual name and price, if it's currently still available, or whatever the current version is, on the screen for you. But do you have this? I think there's some folks who, this is very soft, that collect this typical card holder from the men's line. And I really wanted it in the purple when they had that a couple years ago, and I missed out on it. So when I saw the pink, I was like, getting it, gotta have it. So I have it now, and I will enjoy it. So thanks for coming along on this really quick unboxing and making myself feel a little less foolish for losing it in this vast cloffice area. I will do better at keeping tabs of my things. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.